Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to design a sunset gradient sky in Photoshop. Start by choosing warm colors like orange, peach and purple. Then select the linear gradient option. Drag from the top to bottom to create the sky base. Also add a second gradient layer for richer tones. Switch to radial gradient for a sun glow. Place the radial glow near the horizon. Reduce opacity for realism. Add a darker gradient at the top of the contrast. Now use gradient map adjustment for cinematic tones. Blend using soft light modes. Add subtle haze with light gradient. Also adjust highlights intensity. Add a foreground shadows with a dark overlay gradient.